If you were asked to create a proposal to solve an important problem in your community, which issue would you choose? Describe the problem in detail, suggest a practical solution, and explain how your proposal would positively impact the community.
If I were asked to write a proposal to address a major issue in my community, I would focus on the growing problem of improper waste disposal. In many neighborhoods, garbage bins overflow, plastic waste is scattered on the streets, and people lack awareness about recycling. This situation not only creates an unpleasant environment, but also leads to health risks, such as increasing pests and polluting local water sources. To tackle this, I would propose a community-wide smart waste management initiative. The program would include 3 key actions. First, the local council should install separate bins for plastic, paper, organic waste, and general garbage in every residential area. Second, the community should run monthly awareness workshops teaching people how to segregate waste and reduce single-use plastics. Third, a mobile app should be introduced to remind residents of collection days and allow them to report overflowing bins directly to the municipal team. This initiative would significantly benefit the community. Cleaner streets would improve public health and make the area more attractive for residents and visitors. Proper recycling would reduce environmental damage and lower the pressure on landfills. Most importantly, the project would encourage people to take responsibility for their surroundings, creating a more conscious and cooperative community. Overall, this proposal offers a practical and long-lasting solution to an issue that affects everyone.
What potential challenges do you anticipate in the implementation of your proposed solution? Suggest ways to overcome these challenges.
While the Smart Waste Management Initiative can greatly improve the cleanliness of the community, there are several challenges that might arise during its implementation. One major challenge is the lack of public participation. Many people are used to disposing of waste without sorting it, and changing long-standing habits can be difficult. Another challenge is funding. Installing new bins, organizing workshops, and developing a mobile app require financial resources that the local council may struggle to provide. Finally, maintaining the system consistently could be an issue, as the municipal team would need proper staffing and regular monitoring. To overcome these challenges, the proposal must focus on awareness and motivation. The community can launch a short campaign using posters, local events, and social media to explain how proper waste segregation benefits everyone. Offering small incentives, such as discounts on local services for households that consistently segregate waste, could also encourage participation. For funding, the council can collaborate with local businesses and environmental NGOs that may be willing to sponsor bins or educational programs. Additionally, the app could include a volunteer feature, allowing residents to support the monitoring process, which would reduce the pressure on the municipal staff. By combining education, collaboration, and incentives, these challenges can be managed effectively. With sustained effort, the community can successfully adopt cleaner and more responsible waste practices.